Phylum Platyhelminthes. It is the next phylum, phylum Platyhelminthes. Animals present in this phylum called flatworms. Why these are the animals are called flatworms? These animals' body have flattened structure. Dorso-ventrally flattened body shows by these animals. Dorsally, ventrally having flattened. So these animals are flatworms. Still, students, animals present in Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes, mostly endoparasite in animals and also in the human beings. Student, parasitic mode of their life shows by these animals mostly endoparasite. These are endoparasite means these are the animals lives in the body of another animals. Okay, lives as parasite. Mostly endoparasite lives in the inner body of another animal. Endoparasite in another animals. Next, student, bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, student, first animals. These are the first animals which shows bilateral symmetry. Animals from the porifera does not have the asymmetry. Animals from the Cnidaria, radial symmetry. Animals from the living organisms from the Ctenophora, radial symmetry. And animals from Platyhelminthes shows bilateral symmetry. Triploblastic animals. Entire the body is formed by 3 layers. Body is with 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Triploblastic animals. First triploblastic animals these are. And body cavity or the coelom is absent. True coelom is absent in these animals. Acoelomates. Total the body cavity filled with the fluid. Okay, the type of the fluid occupies the body cavity. Hence these are the animals losses its coelom. So acoelomates. And organ system level organization is present. These tissues develops into the organ and organ systems. Next, student, some animals exhibit pseudometamerism. Metamerism, that means animals body divided into segments. Pseudometamerism, internal segment is present and external segmentation is absent in these animals. That is called pseudometamerism. Metamerism, that means body is divided into segments. Pseudometamerism, external segmentation is absent in these animals. Next, student, cephalization is present. Cephalization, that means anterior part of the body that shows sense organs and also with the separation of the head. Okay, student, anterior part of these animals shows developed into the separate into the head. That is cephalization is present. Okay, nervous system and the sensory structures are concentrated at the anterior part of the body. That is cephalization is present. Unidirectional movement is also shows. Unidirectional movement, that means these are the animals shows one direction, moves in one direction. Unidirectional movement, single direction movement shows by these animals. And hooks, suckers present at the anterior part of the body and helps to adhere the parts of the host body. Hooks, suckers are the parts of these animals, helps to the attachment of the another animals. Okay, it is having these structures is one type of the parasitic adaptations. By these structures, these are the animals attached to the body of another animal. Uxusuckers present in parasites. Next, mouth is present, anus is absent. Okay, digestive system is with the mouth and anus is absent. So nervous system is with the brain, is with nervous system is with brain. Student, nerve cells are absent in poriferans, and diffused nerve net is present in cnidarians. Nervous system is with the brain, that is also called cephalic ganglia. Ganglia, that means it is the group of the cell bodies of neurons. Cephalic ganglia, brain also called cephalic ganglia. Nervous system is with brain. Nerve cords also appeared and arranged in the form of the ladder like structures. Next, excretory cells also present, which helps in elimination of the wastages in the body. Excess amount of the water and the salt levels are removed from the body by the help of the excretory cells called flame cells. Flame cells also called protonephridia. Okay, student, flame cells, these are most like a flame by the presentation of the flagella. Okay, flame cells helps in removal of the excess amount of the water and the salts in the body fluids from to the outside of the body. These are the flame cells. Protonephridia, group of the flame cells is called protonephridia. Protonephridia are the flame cells are the excretory cells present in platyhelminthes. Next, these are the protonephridia. Flame cells helps in osmoregulation and the excretion. Next, sexes are not separate. These animals are sexually not separated. Sexually not separated. Male females are not available. That is also called monoecious. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Both of the gametes fused with each other, combined, goes to the fertilization in the inner part of the body. Fertilization is internal. Next, development is indirect with many larva stages. Student, larva stage is present, so it is called direct development is absent. Indirect development is present. Zygote develops into the larva stages. Zygote forms many larva stages. That is the condition is called polyembryony. Zygote is develops into produces many larva stages. That is the condition is called polyembryony. Polyembryony is seen in these animals. For example, liver fluke. Liver fluke shows polyembryony. Okay, more embryos that are produced from the zygote. Student, indirect development is with many larva stages. For example, miracidium. Zygote develops into the miracidium larva. Miracidium produces sporocyst larva stages. Sporocyst produces rhedia larva. Rhedia larva produces more cercaria. Miracidium, sporocyst, rhedia, cercaria are the larva stages. This is the condition. Finally, cercaria larva develops into the adult one. Okay. This is the condition is called polyembryony. Next, student, any part of the body, any part from the body is losses. Any part losses from the body, that is the part is develops into the adult animal. That is called regeneration capacity. Regeneration capacity is present in planaria. Planaria is the another animal. Planaria shows high degree of regeneration capacity. Student, examples: Taenia, Fasciola. Fasciola, it is a scientific name. Normal name is liver fluke. Example for polyembryon. Cystosoma dugicia. These are the animals from the platyhelminthes.